Hello and welcome to this Alva instructional video. My name is Lars-Endre Mæland and I'm a principal mechanical engineer here at Alva. In this video I will show you how a thin bond line concept can be used to integrate a Alva SlimTorq motor in your application. If you have questions about the topics in this video or want more information about our products, please check out our product catalog or reach out to us at alvaindustries.com. In a thin bond line solution, there's a snug fit between the OD of the stator and the ID of the housing, or the ID of the rotor and the shaft. Assembly fits should be close clearance or transition fit. This will ensure a good radial alignment. Retention is achieved by use of a retaining compound such as Loctite 638 or 648. A retaining compound is basically an adhesive specially adapted for bonding close-fitting cylindrical parts. The adhesive will require some cure time, but since the assembly is self-aligning, you can generally avoid the need for clamping or fixtures. Axial alignment of the stator or rotor should be achieved by a hard stop feature in the stator housing or in the rotor shaft. Such features should only contact the end face of the outer aluminum ring of the stator or the inner aluminum ring of the rotor. Also, if any substantial force is required during the assembly process, that should only be applied to the same faces. As always, when working with adhesives, proper surface preparation is critical. The OD of the stator is analyzed with a special process to enhance adhesion. In most cases, a thorough clean with isopropyl alcohol will be enough. For bare aluminium surfaces, like the ID of the rotor, we recommend cleaning with isopropyl alcohol both before and after roughing the surface with 80 grit sandpaper. The appropriate surface preparation depends on the details of the application as well as the product being used. Please consult the technical data sheet of the adhesive you're using to find the correct procedures. And as always, consult the safety data sheet for the correct safety precautions. For the best thermal performance, the stator-to-stator housing gap should be filled with adhesive. Any adhesive will have a higher thermal conductivity compared to air, so minimizing the amount of air voids will dramatically improve thermal performance. I will now demonstrate how a thin bond line concept can be used to attach the rotor to the shaft. We will use the frame version of our 130/27 max motor as an example. First, we clean the shaft OD and rotor ID with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Cleaning also before sanding makes sure no oil or contaminants are pushed into the roughed surface. We then rough the surface using 80 grit paper. Then, once again, we clean with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth and let the surfaces dry. We then apply a thin coat of Loctite 638 to both surfaces. In this case, the rotor to shaft interface is actually a transition fit and needs a gentle push with the manual press and adapter. We then clean off any excessive adhesive. Now the rotor is firmly connected to the shaft and we are ready to continue with the motor assembly. I hope that you found this video both informative and inspirational. On our website, alvaindustries.com, you will find our product selector, which is a great tool for finding the correct SlimTorq motor for your application. If you have any questions about the topics in this video, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. So, in which application will you use Alva SlimTorq motors? Let us know in the comment section below.